Does Fliff pay real money? Explain. So, Fliff is a social sports book or sweepstakes style platform rather than a standard real money betting site. So, it uses a dual currency system, which is Fliff coins, play for fun currency, which cannot be redeemed for cash, but the other currency is Fliff cash, also called sweepstakes coins, as they are virtual credits that can be redeemed for real cash prizes if certain conditions are met. But according to the app's terms of use, the website and the services provided do not offer real money gambling, and no actual money is required to play. But Fliff is a legitimate platform where you can redeem real cash prizes, but this isn't the same as bet real money and reliably win real money like traditional sports betting. It's more like a sweepstake bonus based game system where you play with virtual currencies, work toward thresholds, and then redeem through their size price system. If your expectation is earn big income or treat it like a side job, you're likely to be disappointed since, again, you won't be earning too much with this app. But if you're willing to treat it like a free to play game with a possible small payout, then yes, it can pay with caveats. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.